Today I'm sharing powerful recipes that awaken dormant roots and help you stop hair loss naturally. Imagine your hair growing stronger each day, each strand filled with vitality and shine. These remedies are simple, using kitchen treasures, but their effects can truly feel magical. You'll need 1 onion. Its layers hide a powerful, nourishing essence. Onions contain sulfur, which strengthens hair and fights dandruff. It penetrates deeply to repair weak strands. They also stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp. Fresh blood flow encourages new hair to sprout faster. Grate the onion. Release its juices slowly to preserve all benefits. This serum accelerates hair growth, reduces dandruff, and adds shine. It works gently, strengthening hair while protecting it. Strain the grated onion through a cloth. Collect every drop of liquid, precious and potent. Whichever of the 2 recipes I'm going to show you, you'll get amazing results. Your hair will feel renewed, soft, and glossy. Everyone will ask you about the length, thickness, and beauty of your hair. You'll smile knowing nature provided the answer. Now let's move on to the onion peels. They hold nutrients that the inner bulb cannot provide. Put the onion peels in a bowl. Treat them gently as you would your hair. Add 2 tablespoons of rosemary. Its fragrance awakens the scalp and stimulates follicles. Rosemary improves scalp oiliness and strengthens hair, making it shiny and silky. It leaves each strand feeling vibrant and soft. Add a tablespoon of cloves. These tiny buds pack a punch, awakening the scalp circulation. Cloves improve blood circulation and stimulate hair growth. Their aroma and essence strengthen every strand you have. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, not ground. Pepper awakens dormant follicles, improving circulation. Add 10 to 15 bay leaves. These leaves are ancient remedies for hair vitality. Bay leaves reduce hair loss and restore vitality to damaged, weak, and brittle hair. They strengthen follicles while soothing the scalp naturally. Restores shine, strength, and elasticity. Improves scalp condition. With every use, your hair feels silkier and more resilient. Add 300 milliliters of water. This liquid base will draw out all nutrients from the ingredients. Boil the ingredients for 10 minutes. Gentle heat unlocks vitamins and minerals efficiently. Let it cool, then strain. Every drop carries nourishment and healing for your scalp. Add onion juice to the broth. This strengthens the blend, combining all nutrients effectively. Mix well and pour it into a spray bottle. Your potion is now ready for nightly application. With regular use of this wonderful aromatic product, your hair and scalp will transform in just 3 to 4 weeks. Dull, lifeless hair will become strong, thick, and glossy. Spray your hair in the evening and do not rinse it afterward. Let the nutrients absorb overnight for maximum effect. You can wash your hair the next morning. Wake up to hair that already feels softer and more resilient. Forget about baldness. Confidence returns as your hair thickens and shines naturally. Recipe 2. The second recipe uses rice and bay leaves for added strength. Put 3 tablespoons of white rice in a small jar. Rice contains starch and proteins that fortify hair naturally. Add 10 to 15 bay leaves. These leaves protect and restore damaged strands over time. With bay leaves for hair, you'll forget about these problems for a long time. Weakness and breakage gradually disappear. Add a teaspoon of cloves. They awaken dormant follicles and promote circulation. Cloves contain natural ingredients that stimulate hair growth. They also leave a subtle aroma that soothes the scalp. Add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. Pepper warms the scalp and awakens follicles naturally. Add 400 milliliters of water. Water blends all ingredients, extracting their full potency. Stir well and close the jar. Let the ingredients mingle, creating a potent elixir. Leave it to soak for 1 day. Patience allows the flavors and nutrients to fully release. Shake the jar well, then strain the mixture through a strainer. This ensures a smooth liquid, easy to apply evenly. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey nourishes hair, locking in moisture and shine naturally. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Your easy-to-use treatment is now ready for application. This recipe strengthens hair and stops hair loss. Use it consistently and watch your hair transform naturally. Spray the liquid on your hair, from the roots to the tips, then cover with a cap or towel. This locks in moisture and allows nutrients to absorb deeply. Use twice a week. Consistent care ensures lasting strength and shine. For the third recipe, you'll need 30 grams of ginger. Ginger is a powerful root that invigorates hair and strengthens follicles. Ginger is an effective ingredient for a healthy scalp and long, thick hair. It reduces hair loss while enhancing shine and softness naturally. Peel the ginger and grate it finely. Freshly grated ginger releases its nutrients fully for optimal hair care. Ginger stimulates hair growth and adds shine. Every application nourishes roots, making hair stronger and healthier. Ginger has been used since ancient times to promote hair growth. Generations have relied on its natural power for lustrous, thick hair. You need its juice. The liquid holds concentrated nutrients that feed every follicle. Strain the grated ginger using a medical gauze. This ensures a smooth, potent juice for effortless application. You need 1 egg yolk. Egg yolk is rich in proteins that nourish and repair hair deeply. The main function of the egg yolk is to strengthen, nourish, and give hair a silky texture. It blends perfectly with ginger juice to create a restorative mask. Add a tablespoon of honey. Honey locks in moisture, keeping hair soft and supple. Add 10 to 15 drops of rosemary oil. Rosemary invigorates roots and promotes faster, thicker hair growth. It strengthens hair roots, accelerates hair growth, and effectively treats split ends. This combination ensures overall hair health and resilience. Add 10 to 15 drops of castor oil. Castor oil deeply conditions and fortifies hair from the roots. Add 1 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E repairs damage and strengthens strands from the inside out. Mix the ingredients well. Blend thoroughly so each component works harmoniously. This is an excellent recipe for strengthening hair and preventing hair loss. Use it consistently to achieve silky, thick, and healthy hair. Apply the mask to the roots twice a week for 25 minutes. Allow the ingredients to deeply penetrate and work their magic. Massage it in with your fingertips. Ensure it is well absorbed. Gentle massaging stimulates circulation and spreads nutrients evenly. Then shampoo your hair after use. Cleansing leaves it soft, shiny, and fully nourished. Store the jar in the refrigerator. Cold storage preserves potency for each future application. The amount prepared today is sufficient for 1 application on medium to long hair. Use carefully to get the best results. Store any remaining portion in the refrigerator until next use. Consistency is key, so preserve the mask properly. Remember to check for contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use. Safety ensures that your natural treatments remain effective and risk-free.